Guys, just went grocery shopping and I have a few things that I think might help you with some snacks and some ideas for some meal prep. I bought these Smart Sweets. If you have a sweet tooth and you like things sour, 24 grams of fiber and 2 grams of sugar for the whole package is 4 smart points if you eat the whole thing. Okay, and I got these at the low-carb grocery store, but you can find them in other stores as well, bulk stores and health food stores. I found these also. I met somebody from my Facebook group, and she told me that she loved these protein crisps. For the whole package is 2 smart points. She said the ranch are delicious, but the barbecue, she said, are spicy. So I said, ooh, I love spicy. So, and they're gluten-free. And I can't wait to tell you how they are and try them. Betty bread, of course, is a staple. 1 smart point per slice. And I saw these veggie pizza protein puffs. For the whole bag is 3 smart points. And I haven't tried those. I love to try something new. The K's protein cereal for 1 cup is 3 smart points. For a half a cup is 1 smart point. Very high in protein and fiber and low in sugar, which I love. These Melba Toast packages, I love sesame flavored. For 1 package is 2 smart points, and you get 10 packages. But I had to buy 2 boxes because my daughter and husband are going after them. This delicious sugar-free raspberry spread by Jock and Al. I love it. I use it for different recipes and snacks. I love it on Melba Toast, on toast with peanut butter, and in my baking. The Sensado chocolate chips are back in, sugar-free mini, and I bought a few packages to stock up. 1 tablespoon, 1 smart point. My favorite BUP bars. Okay, so for the whole bar, chocolate mint, you have to check the different flavors have different nutritional values. And this one is only 2 grams of sugar, as you can see, 20 grams of protein, 4 smart points for the whole bar. Delicious. My tortillas, Mamalupas, they're 1 smart point each. And they're fantastic in a lot of my recipes that you can find, especially my pizzas. They're fantastic. Or if you want to make chips out of them, you can. Check out on my YouTube channel. And of course, my Guy's barbecue sauce, sugar-free. I love that on a lot of things as well. My Joseph syrup, you can tell that I use that a lot in my baking. Love it on French toast, on waffles, on pancakes, and in my muffins or cakes. PB2, of course, is a staple. I use that for snacks as well and for my baking, for sauces, all kinds of recipes. Fantastic. These are a good snack, the Good Thins. I know there's all different kinds. This is one of my all-time favorite. For 9 crackers is 2 smart points, and it's a treat for me. I love them. Now, at the grocery store that I went to, I found the Bolthouse Farms Creamy Balsamic and Classic Ranch. I've tried the Creamy Balsamic for 2 tablespoons, 1 smart point. For the Classic Ranch also for 2 tablespoons, 1 smart point. I haven't tried that yet. I'm excited. I love something different. And I bought the Opa Greek yogurt blue cheese. Just wanted something different. 1 tablespoon, 1 smart point. So you can see there's things that you can have for snacks, for baking, for some meal prep ideas. You can use different sauces, make different sauces, use your bread, use your Mamalupas. Use your barbecue sauce, okay? Use your Melba Toast, and you have lots of different options, all right? I hope this is helpful for you guys, and continue to subscribe and share and tell your peeps, all your people who are on a healthy journey. Weight Watcher peeps, anybody, to please subscribe, and please visit me on my Facebook group, Weight Watchers Tips and Recipes by Risa. Bye for now.